Hey everybody, this is Brian. I came up with a way to make custom sketch motion callouts using a little workaround in Camtasia. So the first thing you need is some kind of solid background. I'm using a program called Sketchbook Express, which is on the Mac, and it's a free download. You can do the same thing in OneNote on Windows, and I'm also connected to my Bamboo tablet so I can use my pen. Now, I can't show this, but you need to record a section of this screen as you make your callout. So I've got a nice green background, and my pen color is white. And so this is recording right now already, but you need to make a recording of something, and I'm just going to use my name, my signature. And once you have that recording, you can hop into the editor. Okay, I'm in the Camtasia editor, and you can see I've got my video from the first part of this that we're going to use to edit. So I'm going to drop this into my timeline, and I'm just going to grab the spot where I actually signed my name. I want that animation, so I'm going to start right about there. So we're going to make a cut, and then we're going to play it through to the end, and we're going to make another cut. And I'm going to get rid of these other two sections because I don't need them for this. I'm just doing this to get the call out. So I'm going to split at the playhead, and then I'm going to separate my video and audio, delete the audio because I don't want the audio. Okay, so now I've got a silent clip of my name being signed, and this is what's going to become our callout. So all we need to do is take this and crop our image down first of all. So all we get is the signature. So I'm going to grab the bottom, grab the top, and cut this down. Let me make sure I get my whole name. And you want to keep it small because we don't want our viewers to see the mouse. So we can do a couple things. I'm on the mouse tab in the editor, so I'm going to scale this down to 0, and I'm going to set the opacity to 0 as well. So that'll keep it hidden for the most part. So when we play it back, you should just see this little animation of my name being signed. And we can apply this in another video. So we're going to cut to that and show you how it's used. Okay, so this is just a sample project I've got open, and it's just an image. There's no video behind it, but I'm going to show you how we would use this callout now that we've made. So you can see I've just got a still image, and I want to have my signature animate into the bottom corner down here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my video that I just edited a minute ago, and if we play it through, you see it'll pop up. And it's on this green, but it still animates nicely. So I'm going to move that over. So we're going to go to the video effects. We're going to grab the remove a color, and it's going to drop that green color. So now essentially we've got a transparent animation that I can set on top of my moon video or my moon image. So if I play this back, all your viewers are going to see is this nice animation of your signature or a square or whatever you want. The other thing you can do is you can go to Snagit or some other image capture, and you can give yourself a still image to work on. Do the same thing. You want to remove a color. What I do now is I'll put the cursor here so I can see how big my image is, and I can shrink it down, or I'll layer them on top of one another. So I can see both at the same time, and I can match the size. So what it looks like is a freeze frame of the animation. And it's a little bit easier to line them up if you use the cursor keys rather than the mouse, because you can just watch it at the same time. And this is pretty close. So now if I set them side by side, what your viewers will see is this. As it plays through, the callout animates, and then stays on the screen. So that's it. That's how you can make a custom sketch motion sketch motion callout. And this works just like any other video. So you can drag it down to the bottom, and we'll line this one up at the same time down here in the bottom corner. And remember, you want your viewers to just see the animation. So you might need to play with the opacity or play with the positioning a little bit to get it perfect. This is just kind of how it works. Hope this is helpful. Leave me a comment and show me how you use it in your videos.